picture that the kid had drawn is a monster like in many separate pieces, and so I took the little marks he had, and I had the idea of horns and spreading out throughout the body, and my teacher, Miss Schreiner, had given me the idea of adding Velcro, so it would give like a bone-like look. And so
look, we got
with the mouth open and more snake-like, it will give them more interactive to the child, and being able not to only like tear apart the monster and like play around with them, but like to keep the design same and similar. And I am gonna add all the colors that I've put through, and I mean I'm just really excited to do this too.
Attach that one.
Yeah,
it's gonna be cool.
It is literally.